One bright morning, Daisy the dinosaur stomped excitedly through the forest. She had an idea. She gathered her friends, Daisy the deer, Dolly the donkey, Danny the duck, Della the dove, and Dora the dolphin, and told them they should go on an adventure. "Where should we go?" asked Dolly the donkey. Daisy suggested they explore the nearby river. Everyone agreed, and they set off together, excited to discover new places. Daisy the dinosaur led the way, her huge feet thudding on the ground. Daisy the deer skipped lightly behind her, while Dolly the donkey trotted along slowly. Danny the duck waddled happily behind. As they walked through the forest, they heard the sound of water flowing. Soon, they arrived at the sparkling river, its clear water glistening in the sunlight. Dora the dolphin dove into the river first, splashing playfully. Danny the duck waddled into the water, enjoying the coolness. Daisy the deer stood by the bank, watching with a smile. Dolly the donkey didn't want to get wet, so she stayed on the shore and nibbled some grass. Della the dove flew above, watching the animals in the water. They all enjoyed the peacefulness of the river. While exploring the riverbank, Daisy the dinosaur spotted something amazing, an enormous waterfall hidden behind the trees. The water crashed down into a beautiful pool below. The friends gathered around the waterfall, mesmerized by its beauty. They decided to splash in the pool beneath it, feeling the cool mist on their faces, and having fun together. As the sun began to set, the sky turned golden. The friends sat on the riverbank, watching the water shimmer. It had been a perfect day. Daisy the dinosaur smiled and said, "What a great adventure we had." Della the dove nodded. "It's always better when we're together." They watched the stars begin to twinkle, thankful for their friendship and the day they had shared.